Hello guys, welcome to Alpha Rewired. This is not just another motivation channel. This is the place where weak minds come to get rebelled and lost men come to rise again. If you are ever felt broken, alone or invisible, if you are ever looked in the mirror and wondered what happened to you, then this video was made for you. Stay till the end, something inside you it's about to awaken. There are moments in life they don't just hurt your body, they burn your soul. When you feel completely alone, no one understands, no one stays, no one cares. If you are in that moment right now, then this message is for you. You gave everything and still they left. The one you loved the most become a stranger. The friends you stayed up late helping gone. Your bank account is empty, your phone is silent. You stare into the mirror and you barely recognize yourself. And the harsh truth, no one's coming to save you. In that silence, you learn that the world does not reward kindness, it respects strength. You learn that weakness is not forgiven, it's exploited. You learn that comfort is a drug and every dose makes you weaker. And in the middle of all that chaos, a fire starts to burn inside you. It will either consume you or forge you. Every heartbreak, every betrayal, every lonely night, it came for a reason. Not to destroy you, but to wake you up. This world won't hand you power and you have to take it. Every time you fight yourself, you grow stronger. When you keep working in silence, when you sacrifice sleep, when you fight through pain with no one watching, that's when you build the kind of strength that can shake the world. My friend, there is a warrior inside you, the one who's tired, broken, doubting everything. That's not the end of you, it's the beginning. But that warrior is asleep and only you can wake him. He's forged in silence, built in pain, refined by discipline. To find him, you will have to kill your excuses, face your demons, master your emotions. What you are going through right now is not permanent. This is your furnace, this is your moment of becoming. If you quit now, you will never know who you could have been. Don't let your story end where they left you. Your greatest chapter hasn't even started yet. There's a version of you that's stronger, wiser, sharper, unstoppable, but you only exist on the other side of pain. You are not weak, you are just wounded. And wounds don't mean you are done, they mean you have been tested. No one is coming to rescue you, and that's your greatest gift. Because now it's your time. Your time to fight, to rise, to become something the world has never seen. You can stay broken or you can become the fire. Subscribe to Alpha Rewired because the war is inside your mind and this is your battlefield. Motivation fades, discipline rewires your soul. Thank you so much.